Ever wonder what foods to eat for a healthy breakfast? My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 6 degrees in my field, and they're all in the natural healthcare space. And so let's talk about breakfast for a minute, especially breakfast for your family, because everybody's got a different palate. Okay, here we go. So we want protein. What are some of the protein sources that are healthy, right? We want to choose healthy egg whites. And when I say healthy, I'm going to go for more high protein, lower fat. Why am I going to do that? Because we way too much fat as a society and it really slows down metabolic processes. So if you are a keto person, human, whatever, keep scrolling because that's not this. So high protein. So we're going to go egg whites. We're going to go pea protein powder. We're going to go, if you choose to eat meat, you can do turkey sausage, turkey bacon. Turkey is a little bit leaner, but those are typically your protein sources. Now you can take that pea protein powder and you can put it in pancakes, you can put it in waffles, you can make muffins out of them, so really get creative when you're thinking about your breakfast items. So typically most people are going to want around 20 to 30 grams of protein in every meal. And so again, like if you're looking for that 20 grams, protein powder is amazing for that because boom, you get it done in one sitting. But let's say you want to put some egg whites in there. So you maybe want to have some other proteins involved with that. So you may want to put that, maybe an egg white omelet with some turkey bacon inside of it. That can definitely help. Or even if you're going to do some oatmeal, something like that, which is totally healthy, but is a carbohydrate, just throw a scoop of protein powder in it, mix it up, and there you go. So those are some options for breakfast. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or you're interested in some high protein breakfast ideas, go ahead and click the link in my bio. I have meal plans for sale. You can check it out. And you can have, I think we have a 14-day high protein breakfast. So, all right, like, share, and subscribe for more.
Check out my daily lives at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where I teach you how to live a holistic lifestyle.